Welcome to the ScreenCast on coding a media selection when we have a transcript. This screencast demonstrates how to apply codes to selections in media data when a transcript exists. Media selections coded using this method in Transana are referred to as quick clips because they are created extremely fast and efficiently. In this screencast, we will code video of students learning geometry through a quilting activity. We will start by opening the transcript called Classroom Video from the episode Classroom Video Example in the Learning Transana library. We already have a few keywords and an empty collection called Geometry by Design. We can always create more keywords later if we need them. The first step in creating a clip is to make a selection in the transcript that matches the portion of the video that we want to code. So we'll click and drag in the transcript to highlight the portion of text for the video that we want to include. Transana uses timecodes to determine the portion of the media file that corresponds to the selection in the transcript. Transana will use the timecode before the highlight for the start of the clip and the timecode following our selection for the end of the clip. This has two implications. First, it means that if there are not timecodes in the correct places in your transcript to serve as the boundaries of the clip you desire, you may need to insert additional timecodes to get just the selection you want. See the tutorial page on timecodes for more information about how to insert them. And second, when making a selection in a transcript, you want to be careful not to include the leading or trailing timecodes in your selection, or you'll end up including more of your media file than you intend. Once our selection is correct, we can code this selection by simply double-clicking the keyword we want to apply. In this case, we will apply the Teaching Techniques keyword of inquiry. When we double-click the keyword, we see several things happen in Transana. First, Transana creates a collection called Quick Quotes and Clips if it does not already exist. This is where Transana places all of the quick quotes and clips created using the coding procedure shown in this screencast. Second, Transana creates a quick clip that contains the media selection and coding we chose. If we expand the quick quotes and clips collection, we see that our clip was named after the episode that we are analyzing. And third, in the visualization window, we can now see an indication that some coding has been assigned to the portion of the media file that corresponds to our transcript selection. This assumes that our media visualization style is set to either keyword or hybrid mode. In this example, we actually see two bars, one to represent the default keyword assigned to our episode, and one to represent the keyword that we use to trigger the coding process. If we move our mouse over these bars, Transana shows us the keywords the bars represent. While we have the same selection in place, we will also double-click the Math Concepts Symmetry keyword to add that to our quick clip. Transana will recognize that we already have a quick clip with this selection, and it adds the new keyword to the existing quick clip rather than creating another quick clip that's nearly identical. Transana may give us a message letting us know about this issue. We can always go to the Options menu and turn off this warning message if we want to. Now we'll make our next analytic selection. This time, we'll right-click the keyword and choose Create Quick Clip from the pop-up menu. This is functionally equivalent to double-clicking the keyword. Finally, if you do not have a selection when you trigger the creation of a quick clip, Transana will automatically select the text between the timecode that precedes the current cursor position and the timecode that follows it. If you want to code multiple new clips for a single concept, you have the option of selecting a keyword in the database tree and then making a series of selections and applying that keyword. You can either press Control-K on Windows or Command-K on macOS, or you can press the Create Quick Quote or Clip button in the document window toolbar. In this mode, you can make and code selections with the same keyword, one after another, very quickly. One final note. When you spend some time creating quick clips or quotes for a particular purpose, you can simply rename the quick quotes and clips collection to something new when you are finished. That way, you will know that all of the quick clips or quick quotes in that collection have one thing in common as indicated by the collection name. Given that, we will rename our quick quotes and clips collection that we just populated, calling it Defining Symmetry. And when we go to create our next quick clip, Transana will automatically create a new quick quotes and clips collection for us.